it was.
Hey, welcome back. This segment is brought to you by Muskegon Awning and Fabrication. From buildings to boats, they've been keeping West Michigan covered for 120 years. President David Bayne is here to show us some of the many ways that awnings can enhance your outdoor space. Good to have you here.
Thank you.
120 years. Happy anniversary. That's quite something.
Yes, it is.
How does a company manage to make it 120 years? Especially we hit a few bumps along the way.
Well, probably at least 3 reasons. One is we're committed to the customer, and that's been a mandate that's been given from owner to owner for the last 120 years. Probably the second thing is the quality craftsmanship that we give people in their products. Many of our people have worked for us for over 20 years, and good people make good products.
They sure do.
And then lastly, probably we control all aspects of the interaction with the customer, from them calling us to the person that comes out to the person that fabricates the project to the person that installs it and services it for its life. We do all of that. We don't farm out any work.
We're going to look at some photographs of the products in just a minute, but let's talk a little bit about the benefits of an awning, because there are money and health benefits, first of all, to having these awnings.
Right. There was a landmark study done by the University of Minnesota 2 years ago that showed that if you use window awnings effectively in your home, you can lower the temperature in the summer by about 15 degrees, depending on where you live.
Significant.
And then during the peak season of warmth, like this afternoon, for example, you can save up to 35% on your air conditioning costs.
Ah, very nice. And then, of course, there are great quality of life benefits.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, retractable awnings for your deck, you can sit out, have a lovely retreat with your family, or just fun with friends.
Let's take a look at some pictures, though, so folks can know what we're talking about. First of all, what is that? That's like a whole screened-in area, huh?
Yeah, that actually the homeowner's screen room, and we call that a roll-up curtain, and that has flexible glass in the center with some umbrella on the outside, and you really can't see it in the picture, but there's turn fasteners that come down the side. So they get to really extend the livability of that space into fall and winter, because they can close that screen in during the fall and the winter, and then in the summer they can roll it up and the breeze can come through the screen room. Wow,
very nice. Okay, next photograph. Ooh, look at that. What?
Yeah, this is really
enclosed space.
Yeah, this is a picture of a pergola that a homeowner built, but then found out, like most pergolas, they really don't give any shade.
Yeah.
So they came to us and asked us to fabricate something for them that would shade this area. And these are roll-up curtains as well, but they have mesh in them, and you can see through them, but they have shade factors of between 70 and 95%.
So real protection from that sun.
Real protection from the harmful UV rays.
Okay, next photo. What is this?
This is a vertical shade as well. It's mounted on the inside of a porch up in the header, so you can't see the cassette. But if you look on the left-hand side, there's a little crank, and there's actually a cassette up above that this rolls up into on a crank, and you can roll it down, and it cools the front of the house.
Huh. Hand crank, then? It comes up and down just as easy as that?
They can come hand, or they can actually come motorized.
Ooh.
Push button, just like a TV.
Very nice. Next photo, please.
This is a picture of a roof-mounted retractable. We've been selling retractables for years, but lately we found an increase of the need for different types of applications. And in this application, this is on the second story of a home, this awning could not be mounted to the wall, so it had to be mounted to the roof.
Okay, next photo. Oh, right over the windows, too.
Right over the windows. This is a little bit older style awning. This is made out of aluminum, and it's powder coated color on it. Extremely durable, can stand the snow, can stay up year round. Nice.
And then we have one last one to look at. Ooh, that's cute. A little more updated kind of.
Yeah. This is a new home on Lake Michigan, and this is a standard canvas awning, but they have welded frames, and the aluminum is powder coated to match the outside fabric.
Now, you have a special deal going on right now.
Yeah, right now we are, to celebrate our 120th year in business, we're giving 50% off all installations of retractable motorized awnings.
All right, go check it out. If you'd like more information on Muskegon Awning, you can find it on our website, WZZM13.com, under Take 5 Links. Thank you.
Thank you.
This summer, there are a lot of folks wanting awnings, I'll bet you. Well, it is an event where dancing a jig is encouraged. When we come back, we're going to make a traditional Irish recipe and tell you about the upcoming Irish Music Festival. But first, we want to tell you about our Back to School makeover with Matt and Mary Beth. To enter, send us a letter, 50 words or fewer. Tell us why you or someone you know needs a makeover for back to school. Maybe a teacher, a college student, someone going back to school later in life. Include a photograph. The details are on our website. The deadline to enter is Friday, August 20th. Good luck. We'll be back.